Good morning everyone. Today we will do an activity to show that air expands on heating. Am I clear? Air expands on heating. It means air increases in size on heating. Now let us do this with an activity. Now, materials required for the activity are a beaker, hot water. Here in this jug I am having hot water. Cold water. In this glass I am having cold water. Clear? A test tube and a balloon. Clear? Now firstly, pour some amount of hot water in the beaker. Clear? Pour some amount of hot water in the beaker. Now, take a balloon and stretch the balloon over the mouth of the test tube tightly. Okay? Stretch the balloon over the mouth of the test tube. Okay? You have to do it tightly. Stretch the balloon tightly over the mouth of the test tube like this. Clear? You have to stretch it tightly. It should be tight. Now, just see this balloon. Okay? Now I am putting this test tube inside the hot water. Now observe, is there any change in the shape of the balloon or is there any difference? Now observe it carefully. Now you have to observe it for 1 minute. Now after 1 minute you can see this balloon got inflated. Can you see its shape now? It got inflated. Now the question is why? Why the balloon got inflated when the test tube was kept in the hot water? The answer is air expands on heating. Now let me explain you when you will heat the air. Clear? Now what will happen? The molecules of the air, they will possess kinetic energy. Clear? Due to heating, the molecules will possess kinetic energy. And due to that kinetic energy, they will start moving apart. Am I clear? Due to heating, molecules will gain energy and due to that energy, molecules will start moving faster. Now, as the molecules are moving faster, so now what will happen? They will occupy more space. Molecules will occupy more space, or I can say air will expand. So am I clear? Why does the air expands on heating? Because on heating, the molecules start gaining kinetic energy. Due to that kinetic energy, they start moving faster, and as a result, they occupies more space. And as a result, air expands on heating. Clear? Now, here in this glass, I am having cold water. Now let me do the same thing once again. I will put this test tube having the stretched balloon in the cold water, and now just observe what happens. Clear? I am taking out the test tube from the hot water. I'll put it inside the cold water. Now again we have to just wait for 1 minute and then we will see the result. Now, after 1 minute, just observe the balloon carefully. Can you see what is the difference? Yes, this time the balloon got deflated. Can you see? The balloon got deflated. Now the question is, why does this happen? Again, answer is on cooling. As you know, this time I kept the test tube in the cold water, right? Now due to cooling, the molecules of air, they will start coming closer. Am I clear? The molecules will lose energy and they will start coming closer, and as a result they will occupy less space, and here you can see the balloon deflates. Clear? So this activity shows that air expands on heating. When you will heat the air, the molecules will gain kinetic energy. They will start moving faster. As a result, they will occupy more space, and as a result, I can say air expands on heating.